Today we will see surface tension. Surface tension. Surface tension. Surface tension. We know that when we have take the water at rest, suppose the water at rest, then that water having the surface tension, and we know that the water spider walks on the water surface easily, like small insects also walk on the water surface due to surface tension is there, and greased needle is also float on the water surface due to surface tension, and raindrop soap bubbles also take the shape, spherical shape due to surface tension. So surface tension is the very important property of liquid. Very important property of liquid. So we see the surface tension. Surface tension, we know that matter exists in three states: solid, liquid and gases. Now the behavior of liquids depends on intermolecular forces. Intermolecular forces. Behavior of liquid depends on intermolecular forces. Now we see the molecular theory of surface tension. Molecular theory of surface tension. Molecular theory of surface tension. We know that the matter is made up of molecules. Matter is made up of molecules. Very small particles called as molecules. And these molecules having the force. Any two molecules, there is a force of attraction. This force of attraction is called as molecular force or intermolecular force. So that this intermolecular force play a very important role in the surface tension, and the intermolecular forces are of two types. First we see the intermolecular force. Intermolecular force or forces. Intermolecular force means the force of attraction, between any two molecules is called as intermolecular force. What is intermolecular force? The force of attraction between any two molecules is called as intermolecular force. And now these forces are of two types. Number one, cohesive force or force of cohesion. Adhesive force or force of addition. Adhesive force, cohesive force and adhesive force. First we will see the cohesive force. First we will see the cohesive force. Now cohesive force means cohesive force means cohesive force means the force of attraction between two molecules of a substance of the same substance is called as cohesive force or force of cohesion is called as force of cohesion. What is cohesive force? The force of attraction between two molecules of the same substance is called as cohesive force or force of cohesion. Means example, force between water molecule. Force between water molecule is called as cohesive force. Water molecule madla force, that is called as cohesive force. That is cohesive force. Now we can see next adhesive force. We can see next adhesive force. Adhesive force means the force of attraction between two molecules of the two different substances is called as adhesive force. Or force of adhesion. So what is the force of adhesive force? The force of attraction between two molecules of the two different substances is called as adhesive force or force of adhesion. Example, if we have give the paint to the door, paint to the wall, paint attached to the wall, that is the force of attraction between the wall and paint. Or a gum stick on the paper, it is also example of adhesive force. So these are the adhesive force, example of adhesive force. So we have studied cohesive force and adhesive force. Next, we will see range of molecular force. 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 Range of molecular force means the maximum distance from a molecule up to which molecular force up to which molecular force is effective is called as range of molecular force. Is called as range of molecular force. Range of molecular force. What is range of molecular force? The maximum distance from a molecule up to which molecular force is effective is called as range of molecular force. Suppose here this is the molecule, and this molecule experience a force in this region. Experience a force in this region. Suppose molecule A. Now molecule A experience the force around it, and this is the range of molecular force. The maximum distance from a molecule up to which molecular force is effective is called as range of molecular force. So if we have considered a molecule of matter, this molecule having a force of attraction, and this is the field of the force of attraction. So this distance is known as range of molecular force. The maximum distance from a molecule up to which molecular force is effective is called as range of molecular force. Range of molecular force. Next we see the sphere of influence. Next term we will see the sphere of influence. Sphere of influence. Sphere of influence means sphere of influence, an imaginary sphere and imaginary sphere drawn with the molecule at the center and radius is equal to the range of molecular force is called as sphere of influence. Sphere of influence. What is the sphere of influence? An imaginary sphere drawn with the molecule at the center and radius is equal to the range of molecular force is called as sphere of influence. Means this is the molecule, this molecule experience the force around it in this region. So this sphere is known as sphere of influence. This sphere is known as sphere of influence. So this is the sphere of influence. Now next we will see the surface film. Surface film. Surface film. Surface film. Surface film. The liquid surface having thickness equal to the molecular range. The liquid surface having thickness equal to the molecular range is called as surface film. The liquid surface having thickness equal to the molecular range is called as surface film. So this is the surface film. So in this way we have seen the four terms in this molecular theory of surface tension. First we have seen the intermolecular force. Then there are two types, cohesive and adhesive. Then we will see the range of molecular force, then sphere of influence, and then surface film. In this way we have seen the four terms in molecular theory of surface tension. Okay, thank you.